Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok followers all at once. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So first of all, if you want to delete all your TikTok followers, you need to open your TikTok application. And then at the bottom right corner you need to click on your profile button. After that, in this interface, at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button. And then you need to click on the last option, Settings and Privacy. Then you need to click on the second option, Privacy, and then you need to enable private account. After that, you need to go back to Settings and Privacy, and then you need to scroll down. After that, you need to find Support and About section, and then click on the first option, Report a problem. After that, in this interface, you need to scroll down and then click on the last button, Chat with us. In this interface you need to type report a problem, and then you need to click on this button, Submit a ticket. After that you need to describe your problem. For example, hello, I need to delete all my followers at once, and then you need to click on the red button, Submit. After that, TikTok support will receive your message a few days. And that's how to delete TikTok followers all at once. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.